Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Photoshop CC 2019 version 20.0. 8 is the previous version older one and 2020 version 21.0. 2 is the most recent version. You can of course uninstall CC 2019 using the Creative Cloud app if you feel that Photoshop 2020 is working fine for you. Adobe stopped using CC in its 2020 versions.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
But the good thing with the CC is that, for some tasks, it can work as an autopilot where the CS6 required manual work. Therefore, once a user has learned the features and tools of the CC version, it will be easier and faster for him to work with the CC versions than the CS6 version. Here the CS6 is the winner.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Adobe has released Photoshop CC 2020, the latest update to its flagship image editing application. The new version brings some seriously useful new features, including new warp capabilities, better automatic selection, and a range of minor interface changes that combine to make you more productive.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
How good is Photoshop 2020? The new features and tools in Photoshop 2020 are definitely decent. There's a couple of powerful time-saving additions, a game-changing new tool, a few features aimed at multimedia artists and some spring cleaning for layouts.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.